Eventleaf, exhibition booth sales management. Let's start by creating an exhibition floor with booths. You can specify the floor size and upload a floor map. You can add multiple booth types to the floor plan, such as 10 by 10 and 10 by 20 booths. Next, add booths to the floor plan. Your floor plan is now ready. Linking the floor plan with registration. Enable booth selection in the registration process. Choose the floor plan you just created for booth selection. Booths can now be selected during registration. Exhibitor booth selection. Exhibitors start by selecting the registration option for their desired booth type. Next, they select a booth from the map. Then, they enter exhibitor details. Finally, they submit the registration and the booth is assigned. That's it. Simple and easy.